Today I'm going to go over the sales engine that I built that actually ended up replacing me. See, if you're a coach and you're not using AI right now, you're already behind. And as most of us know, AI is leverage. If you're not using it, you're going to lose to a business that is. Period, full stop. Now, here's how I'm scaling coaching offers with the support of a dynamic AI that books appointments in the DMs on autopilot. So this is day and night while being 100% Instagram compliant and built to respond like a human with wait times, follow up, and proven sales scripts and frameworks that actually convert. Now, you might be asking yourself, what am I talking about? See, I'll give you a quick backstory. I used to work 10 hours a day inside of Dan Martell's coaching business. And I was inside his DMs, replying, doing follow up, handling objections, and it was never ending. And then I realized that if I wanted to scale this thing, I would need leverage. And what if I could clone my best sales combos and put them into an AI and make it reply like a human, but better? See, so I left Dan's business and I built it. And it changed everything, to be quite frank. And the key is there's 4 C's of leverage. There's content, there's capital, code, and community. And what we're using is code. So just like if you made one video, thousands of people could see it. If you write this code once, then thousands of people can chat with this AI for, well, hopefully the rest of time. And so here's how the AI engine, it actually works. See, it's trained to respond like a human. It has wait times. It has subtle it responds like a human. It has wait times. It has subtle spelling errors, and it actually delays itself just to sound more human. And it chats in multiple bubbles. And it's trained on proven frameworks that are known to work and have proven themselves maybe 7 or 8 figures. It does follow up relentlessly. It doesn't forget like you and I. It doesn't forget like an appointment setter. It books directly into your calendar and is 100% Instagram compliant. And last but not least, one of the most important parts about this is speed to lead. See, I don't know if you've seen the study, but if you respond to a lead within the first 5 minutes, you are 390% more likely to convert that lead into a sale. 390%. Can you imagine you converted your leads 390% more than you currently do? And let me show you how powerful this truly is. See, let's hop into, I built a fake Instagram, and let's hop into, can we get there? Let's hop into the DMs. So I was already chatting with the demo already. So let's say AI demo. And this is actually just a demo that I've built that so people like you could go DM me and see how powerful this AI truly is. So it's starting the demo. It'll kind of go over like some simple frameworks for the demo, like responding with one paragraph. See, this can be changed when I actually build them and how I implement them into actual businesses. I changed that so people can respond in multiple ones, but just for the demo and for speed's sake, I have it like that. So say here. And so of course it has delays, it has wait times because it doesn't want to sound like a bot. Imagine this thing responded to you in an instant. You obviously know it's a bot, but it's actually built. Sometimes it'll even wait like 25, 30, 45 minutes even to respond when it feels like that is what it's needed. So it says, hey, appreciate you connecting. Let's dig in. What's your big 6-month fitness goal? And give me an exciting target. Okay. Give me 25 pounds of muscle. Who doesn't want 25 pounds of muscle? And then it'll wait, register, send it off to the AI, and make it actually come back with a response. And then with that response, it handles it and then sends that response in multiple different lines, like this, just to be human, right? It's kind of like an ADHD thing. It's like quick texting like a 14-year-old girl. And then it'll come back with a response in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Love it. It's probably going to ask me for my current weight. We'll see though. And so this is following a framework, and it's able to handle even objections. It's able to handle the nuances that most chatbots or ChatGPT, like it can't do that, right? It's not ChatGPT with makeup on it. This is a true dynamic AI that is built to trained to respond like a human. Let's kind of give it a little challenge. Let's give it a little challenge here. I'm 190 LBS. What? What are you here for? Just a very random question. And let's kind of go back to the script just while we wait for the response. See, this is the Instagram coach problem. Most coaches, they either burn out because they're responding to DMs themselves when they should be spending time on sales calls, doing client meetings, getting more leads, filming more content, running more ads, so many other things. Appointment setting is at the bottom of that list. Hire setters who ghost you, are cold, and actually kill the vibe and never sounded like you in the first place. Or worse, they wait and hope for people to book on their own. See, I've talked to so many coaches, and that is a huge problem, is they'll hire appointment setter, they get lazy, they stop responding, and then they freaking ghost them. Nobody wants that. And this is the actual framework that I've built, and this is one that I've learned from guys like Hermosi, Jeremy Miner, Dan Martell, and I've compiled it all into my own framework, and it's called the Path Framework. So these actually convert and book calls like clockwork. You dig into the problem. So where are they currently at now? If we're talking about a business coaching, where are you currently at now? You're asking this to the prospect. Okay, we're at 10K a month. All right, how many clients do you have? You want to understand their current. And then you move into their ambition. It's where do you want to be in 6 months? Where do you want to be in 12 months? Like, what does that look like for you? And actually dig into it. Like, make them visualize it. We've noticed that the more you can picture, more the person can picture what that future looks like, the more the pain gap is going to be. And then from there, you dig into the troubles. So what are the actual troubles they have? What's slowing you down from getting there? Because if they had the answers, they would already be there, right? And so if it's lead flow and if it's hiring A players, don't be surprised when in the offer we say, so what we're going to do, John, is we're going to help you increase your lead flow through XYZ, and we'll give you the systems that we actually use to hire A players. So that is huge if we get their troubles. And then it's the hurry, it's the why now. Urgency is one of the strongest indicators of persuasion and influence. So if we use it for them to understand why now, and all of these, like, it's not persuasion, it's not evil. If you actually have a product that helps somebody, it is your duty to help them find it, right? And so this framework, it lines the prospect up to realize that change is needed and help guide you into the offer. It's done by creating a massive pain gap, so they understand this is where the sale is. It's in the pain. The bigger the pain, the bigger the sale. The smaller the pain, the less likely you are to get the sale. And between there, where they are now and where they believe they should be. So if you actually want to try out my AI appointment setter, let's get back into it. Just go to my Instagram account and DM me AI demo. There's me and Dan right there. DM me AI demo and you can test it out for yourself, play with it, and see how powerful it truly is. Now, thank you for watching this video. I hope to hear from you. I'll also have a booking link in my description. So if you want to book an appointment and you've been thinking about having an AI setter for a little bit now, just book a call with me and we can see if it even makes sense for you. This isn't for anybody doing with under 10,000 followers or that's not running ads. So with that being said, thank you. Subscribe, like the vid.